So now, for the new kids, first of all we have David, we have Nikhil and Anika. Okay, I'll take maybe a class or two to memorize your names, but that's okay. I'm getting old. Sometimes I forget. But what you guys need to know is whatever we do in the class. And Nihit, you might want to turn on your video. So I would request Sami also. So whatever we learn in the class, we try understanding things. Okay, there's nothing to memorize, because if you understand, that stays with you longer. So whatever we learn, we will try to understand, and then we'll do some practice. I don't give you guys a lot of homework. Okay, I give 5-6 sums in a week. That is just to make sure that whatever you have learned, you are able to practice them. Yes.
We already have work from our school.
That one I will not worry about. So I'm saying whatever homework you get from school, that is separate. What we are learning in the class, after 2 days of class, you guys will get probably 8 or 10 sums to do, and that will not take more than 20 minutes for you. Okay, so you have entire week to finish that homework. Once you finish the homework, you can do it and show it to your parents. Say, okay, fine, this was the question, this is how I've done it. If you're able to explain that, that means you've understood. If you're not able to explain that, your parents will know that, okay, there's a problem, and they will catch hold of me and we'll do it again. And then why I'm recording this class on this iPad? Because this one goes onto the YouTube. Not for me to become a YouTuber. This video is only for my kids, meaning you all. To go through it, revise it. After the class, whenever you forget something, right, you can watch the video again and revise it. That's the only purpose. Alright?
Okay.
So now, let me do a quick roll call and then we'll get started. So we have Aradhya, Aditi, Asher, David, Nihan, Sanvi, Nihan, Sanvi, Nihit, Salni, Sami, Tasvik, and Arihan. And in the classroom we have 2 new kids, Nikhil and Anika, and then we have you. Alright, so let's get started. Today being a Saturday, for all the new kids, what we do is we do tables. Okay. First thing we do is tables, because tables are your building block for maths. If you master tables, you will master math. If you don't master tables, you will have tough time. Okay? No more than tough time. It is if you know the tables well. If you are able to get the answers quickly, you will be able to solve math much quickly. You'll be able to enjoy math more. Okay? I am not able to see you. Either you have to move this side a little bit more, because I have to always see who is doing what in the class. Okay. Okay, and no unnecessary talk, because that will disturb the whole class. Let me see if I have a better way of. Can you guys move? Can you move a little bit to this side? Yeah, this is better. Okay. So now what we'll do is initial 15 to 20 minutes, I will ask everybody. I'll check everybody's comfort with the tables. Okay.
Okay.
What you know is wonderful. What you don't know is not a problem, because what you don't know is what you learn. Yeah.
Okay.
So if you go wrong, don't feel shy. Nobody's going to laugh. Okay. Even at this age, when I'm 48, I'm still learning things. So there's no age for learning. Something that you don't know, you can keep learning. Okay. Alright. So let's start. Who all are ready? Raise your hand. So okay, everybody is ready here also. So I will call out your names one by one. Okay. So one person on the screen, one person in the classroom. So everybody is ready. Put your hands down. Now, David, do you know tables?
Yeah.
Table till which number?
10.
Till 10? Wonderful. So,
I'm at 11.
nothing like that. So, again, I will check, and wherever I find there is a gap, I will give you guys feedback, and so that we can work on that. Okay? So, let's start with, so you can also raise your hand. So, whenever you have to raise hand, you can always click on this button, and I would know that, okay, David has also raised hand. Okay? This is what you see on the screen, right? Everybody has raised their hand. And I request to everybody, make sure that nobody is there in the class without their video being turned on. Okay? The teacher has to always see the students and talk to the students. Alright, so let's start with Asher. Your name starts with A, so I'll start with Ashar. Okay? Table till?
11.
8 8 ja.
8 8s are 64.
9 5 ja.
9 5s are 45.
7 7 ja.
7 7s are 49.
9 8 ja.
9 8s are 72.
9 9 ja.
9 9s are 81.
Wonderful. Good job. You can put your hands down. So let's go to Nikhil. Ready? Table till?
7 times 1 is 7.
No. I will ask question. So you are comfortable with table till which number?
7.
7. Okay. 6 5 ja.
Wait. 6 5s are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
Okay.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
No. 6 5 is 30.
30!
Yeah. So
Actually,
okay. So that means you'll have to start. So in a little different way. Okay. Like I was asking 8 8 ja, 64. We have to get to that level. Okay. That would be our plan, and that's what we work on. There's no problem with that.
Okay.
What you have to do is start with table of 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. These 4 tables, 2, 3, 4 and 5, you will memorize at home, and on the next Saturday, okay, when we come to the table, I'll ask you questions on table till 5, and then you will try answering it. Okay. And it only takes 5 minutes. This is how you will do. Okay. If you are doing table of 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 7 ja 14, 2 8 ja 16, 2 8 ja 19, 2 8 ja 16, 2 9 ja 18, 2 10 ja 20. Write it down and just go through it. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10. So just 5 minutes every day. Once you think you have done table of 2 and 3, take it to mommy. Say, okay, fine. Can you ask me questions? Let's see if I memorize it. Okay? Because that will, when you do that, right? It's like a game. Okay? When you guys play, right? When you practice it, ask somebody to ask you, and when you are able to answer it quickly, that would mean that okay, you have memorized. If you are not able to, you'll say okay, fine, let me do it one more time, and then you go back to it. So math is a practice thing. Okay, there's nothing to be worried. Okay, so 2, 3, 4 and 5. I want you to memorize these 4 tables before next class, which is next Saturday. Okay, and you can do that by spending 5 minutes every day. Okay, that's your only homework for now. What? Okay?
Okay.
How about you?
5.
Till 5? 4 5 ja.
20.
Very good. 2 9 ja.
18.
Very good. 3 5 ja.
15.
Very good. No, be confident. No, but nothing will go wrong if you make a mistake. Okay? Only mistake that you are supposed to do is what you is doing right now. He is playing in the class. That is a distraction. Don't do that yet. I have told you probably 150 times now. Okay? So, as long as you focus, you are fine. So you know the table. That's a good thing. I want you to focus on table till 5, and it should come like this. You will see how kids are responding. Okay? I want you also to go to that level. Okay? I'll come to you. Now let me go to Aditi. Aditi, ready?
Yes, sir.
Table till
13.
8 8 ja.
64.
9 5 ja.
9 5s are 45.
12 5 ja.
60.
8 9 ja.
72.
12 8 ja.
96.
13 5 ja.
65.
39 ja.
I think I don't know that yet.
170. So Aditi, you promised me that you'll not go to 14, okay? You'll stay till 13. That is more than enough. Stay till 13, but keep practicing 5 minutes every day, and I will check till 13 in the next on the next Saturday class. Okay. All right. Let's go to Samli. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Table till
11.
9 9
81.
7 6
42.
8 9
72.
9 7
63.
11 8
88.
Good job. But you took 1 second, right? I want to remove that 1 second also. So 5 minutes every day, please. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. Now you ready? So before I go to you, so for Nikhil and Ankita. Anika, my bad. I told you, right? I'm an old person. I keep forgetting things. Okay. No. So I'll take a class or two. But see, you must be seeing that okay, everybody is able to answer very quickly, and that is low. That is stressful. No, that is not. No rush, no hurry. Nobody's going anywhere. I'm your neighbor. I'm not going to go anywhere. You're not going to go anywhere, right? Keep putting that effort 5 minutes every day. You will see that after 2 months you will start doing magic. Okay, that will be our plan. So no matter who is how expert now, they have been doing it for last 5-6 months, right? This is your first class, so don't feel that oh everybody is superstar now. We all work hard to become superstar. Okay, all right. You ready?
Yes.
Table till
8.
okay. Table till 7. That's what I told you in the last class. I don't want you to keep running and keep making mistakes. I will not care about it. I'll only care till 7. As long as you do a good job, I'll be happy. If you don't, I will give you a good lecture. 7 5
35.
4 9
36.
7 7
49.
6 9 Are you cold? Anika, you're fine? Okay.
54.
What was the question? 6 9 54. Okay. 7 9
63.
Okay. So you are not going wrong with your answers, but you are still taking how many seconds?
5.
Don't give me a story.
10.
Don't give me a story. You took 2-3 seconds, right? That he took some time to think, right? And 7 7 49. I want 7 7 49. 6 9 54. 8 8 64. Something like that. Because if you get to that level, you will love maths. Okay? Alright, let's go to Salmi. Ready?
Table till 12.
8 8
64.
12 9
108.
9 7
63.
11 9
99.
12 7
84.
8 9
72.
9 8
72.
Good job. Let's go to Arihan. Table till
12 will do.
okay 9 9
81.
12 8
12 8.
Uh-huh.
96.
7 8
56.
8 7
56.
12 8
12 and 8. 96.
11 7
77.
7 8
56.
Good job. Okay, now let's go to Nihan. Nihan, table till
13.
14 13 5
What?
13 5
65.
9 9
81.
12 8
I can hear you now.
12 8
96.
7 9
63.
11 8
88.
13 6
70.
78.
Okay, good job. So, yeah. Jai, ready?
Yeah.
Table till
12.
8 8 ja.
64.
9 5 ja.
25.
4 9 ja.
36.
12 7 ja.
84.
8 9 ja.
72.
9 9 ja.
81.
Good job. Now let's see who are remaining. Joy, ready?
How do you raise hand?
You, if you see your screen, you will have a red button for ending the call. If you
Yeah.
skip, then there'll be a button with 3 dots and there's one with a hand.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Okay. All right. Joy, ready?
Yes.
Table till.
What?
Table till. Which number?
5.
5. 4 5 ja.
20.
5 9 ja. 5 times 9.
45.
Very good. 3 8 ja.
15.
3 8 8. 24. 4 6 ja.
21.
24. 24.
24.
Yeah. So, Joy, what we'll do is make sure that we are not going beyond 5. Let's stick till 5 for next 2 weeks at least. Okay, before you go to 6. And we'll master table till 5. Okay. So every day 5 minutes. That's your promise to me. Okay. Everybody is promising that they will spend 5 minutes with the table. Okay. Nihan, you told your table, so you can put your hands down.
I do the
No.
minutes every single day. It's actually 10 minutes or so.
It's okay. I mean,
My
5 minutes.
camera's not working.
Okay.
Even though
Okay.
if I have my background, like you can't see me.
Okay, so you can disconnect and join back again, that should work. Okay, now let's go to Sami. Sami, ready?
Yes, sir.
Table till
12.
8 8 ja.
64.
12 5 ja.
60.
11 9 ja.
99.
5 9 ja.
45.
12 7 ja.
84.
8 9 ja.
72.
Good job.
Thank you.
Now David, ready?
Yes.
So how do I pronounce your name? David or David?
Divot.
David.
One thing, I'm not good at the 8s, 7s, and 6s.
That's okay. I mean, see, nobody is good at anything. We just practice and we get better. Okay, that's what we'll do.
Okay.
So today, when I'm asking you guys, I'm not like trying to let anybody down. That's the last thing I would do in my life. Okay, my job is to understand what you know and what you need to know. Okay, that's what we'll work on. Okay, so now tell me which table you are comfortable till.
7.
Seven?
Still 7s.
Okay, let's try that. I mean, see, it's a fact finding exercise. Okay, it's not a fault finding exercise. Okay, we're trying to find what we know and then where do we go from there. So we'll be done with table in another 5 minutes. Okay, and then we'll learn something new. All right.
Okay.
So 4 5 ja.
4 5s are 20.
5 9 ja.
5 9s are 45.
3 9 ja.
3 9s are 3 9s are 20.
7 27
20.
37 yeah. 4 7 ja.
4 7s are
28
28.
right. So now this is the target for you. Okay, so every day Divit, you will spend 5 minutes. Memorize the table. Do one thing. In a notebook, write the tables, okay? From 2 till 5, okay? And spend 5 minutes. Just go through it. Sing it like a song. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8. Likewise, sing the song and do it 2 3 times and then catch hold of somebody in family and say, okay, ask me questions. When they ask, yeah.
I have tables till 11 in my notebook.
Wonderful. Then you memorize it and then once you finish it, catch hold of somebody in the family and say, okay, ask me questions. And do it like a sport. Don't do it like a stressful study. Okay? Do it like a sport.
Okay.
And then if you are able to answer them, do a deal with mommy. Say, okay, if I answer all correct, get me a candy. Or whatever you like. Okay?
Okay.
Do it in a more playful way is what I would say. Yeah, Mandeep, ready? Mandeep, ready?
Yes.
Table till
12.
8 8 ja.
What?
8 8 ja.
54.
9 5 ja.
45.
4 9 ja.
36.
12 6 ja.
72.
7 5 ja.
What?
7 5 ja.
35.
Good job. Let's go to now who all are remaining? I think Jaganya is remaining. Jaganya ready?
Yes, sir.
Table till?
What time is it, sir?
That is the worst question to ask. Okay. Table till 12. 5 9 ja.
45.
12 6 ja.
32.
11 9 ja.
99.
12 8 ja.
96.
7 5 ja.
35.
8 7 ja.
56.
7 6 ja.
42.
Good job. Let's go to Aradhya. Aradhya ready?
Yes.
Table till?
7.
5 9 ja.
5 9s are 45.
Very good. 4 9 ja.
32.
3 6 ja.
18.
5 7 ja.
35.
6 5 ja.
30.
7 3 ja.
21.
Good job. So keep practicing for 5 minutes every day, okay? So I would not want you to go to from 7 to 8. Let's make table till 7 solid for you and then we'll go to 8, okay? It's not a big deal, okay? Now who is remaining? I think Tasvik and Nihit, they have not shared the numbers, the tables yet. Yeah, Tasvik, ready?
Yes.
5 9 ja.
45.
12 9 ja.
108.
8 8 ja.
64.
9 9 ja. Mandeep, you go on mute, please. Okay, yeah. 9 9 ja. Where did you go, Tasvik? Tasvik, you're on mute.
81.
12 7 ja.
84.
Good job. Now let's see who's remaining now. Everybody has shared the numbers. Nihit, you are the only one who has not talked about the tables yet. Ready?
Yes.
Table till
6.
5 3 ja.
What?
5 3 ja.
15.
4 9 ja.
36.
3 8 ja.
24.
6 5 ja.
30.
Good job. So now, so far we were doing something called time pass. No, we were not doing time pass. We were making sure that the tables that we need to know, who all has practiced, who all has not, and we were doing that in a more playful way. Yes.
I don't have a pencil.
You'll get one from me.
I have a pencil.
That's okay. You focus on your stuff, which you don't focus always. Okay. Now, in today's class, we are going to, based on certain requests that I received, how do we convert decimal to fraction, fraction to decimal, and how do we add them also? Add them or subtract them. Okay? So if I have a fraction number, if I have something like this, so three things actually, okay? One is, before I start, so one information for you all. Make sure that nobody is playing with emojis, nobody is talking when I am talking. When you have to talk, you will raise your hand before you start talking, okay? And no playing with the background, okay? Everybody has Star Wars, all crappy stuff in the background. Don't do that. And no texting also. Stay in the class like a student, okay? We are not in a movie theater right now. neither on a beach. Alright, so before we start, for today, tomorrow and the next Saturday, these 3 classes, I'll randomly pick some topics and teach. But then, next, from 1st February onwards, what we will do is, all the syllabus that we have for 3rd to 5th grade, we will go through each and every topic one more time. So before your start test or before your final exam, we will cover the entire syllabus one more time from beginning. So next time from February, I'll go in a sequence. I'll pick one topic, finish that, go to another topic, finish that, keep on asking questions to you guys, make sure that you guys are with me, okay? Yeah, sure.
But in our school, we already did a practice test.
That's okay. See, you guys are in different grades. What we are going to learn is from 3rd to 5th grade, all the concepts, all the things that you need to know. So if you are in 3rd grade and you have already done your start test, no problem, no damage done. You'll be learning more. You are in 4th grade, then also you are covered. 5th grade, you are covered. Okay? Yeah, Nihan.
After we start my PC to get my camera back.
Okay. Yes, Alina.
Now or later?
You can do any time. As long, see, I mean, if I'm not able to see you because of a technical glitch, that's okay. But as long as you can see me on the board, you're still okay. Yes, Alini, you're saying something. Finish it off quickly before I can, so that I can start teaching. Salini, you're saying something? I'll take that as a no. Because right now talking is not important. What we are doing is, we are trying to, okay. So we are trying to learn how do we deal with adding, subtracting of fractions. How do we convert decimal to a fraction or fraction to a decimal? Okay, Anika, here, okay. So tell me one thing, who all doesn't know what is fraction and what is decimal? Who doesn't know, who knows what is fraction? Okay, what is fraction?
I think that you divide something into equal parts.
Okay, that is one way of looking at it. Anika?
It has 2 numbers, a numerator.
Numerator and denominator. Right, okay. Alright. And Arihan, don't change your background, don't change emojis. Those are distractions. Okay, yeah, Salini, you're saying something?
It's part of a whole.
Yeah, part of whole. Mandeep, what is your answer?
My answer is I know that there is a numerator and denominator.
Numerator and denominator, okay. Yeah, Arihan. Yeah, keep it short. Keep it short because we will, if we keep a long discussion, that will not be productive. Yeah, Arihan.
I was gonna say like something less than 1 unless it's like a mixed fraction or improper.
Okay. Yep. Yeah, David.
I know what it is, but I don't know how to explain.
Okay. So I got information from you. I will put that in a very simple form. If I have something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, these are called natural numbers. If I have 2 natural numbers where one number is sitting on other number's head, this guy is sitting on this guy's head, this is called fraction. Mostly we use fraction for representing a number smaller than 1. Okay? In case of proper fraction, you will always see the one who is sitting on the head is called numerator, and the one at the bottom is called denominator. So numerator is always smaller than the denominator. That's what is a proper fraction. Okay? That's a standard definition of a fraction. Everybody with me?
Yeah.
When I put 1 by 2 or 3 by 4 or 6 by 9 or 8 by 7, this one, when you see, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Numerator is smaller than the denominator. Numerator is smaller than the denominator. These are called proper fraction. When you look at this guy, your denominator is bigger than the smaller number. Your numerator is bigger than the denominator. This is also a fraction, but this is not proper. It's called improper fraction.
Okay.
Yeah?
Improper.
Improper. I-M. Okay? Improper
Oh.
fraction. So this is the first thing. Now, if I say,
Sir,
Yeah?
I have a small question.
mhm,
In my school, the other day we did a test,
mhm.
and in the test we had like division of fractions, had like 6 divided by 1/4. Would that be a fraction or a whole number? I keep getting confused between the two.
No, 6 divide by 1 by 4.
Yeah.
So you will divide and you will find it out. Okay? So see, we'll come to that. I can do that real quick for you. See, 6, yeah, 6 divided by 1 by 4. Okay? So everybody else who doesn't know how to do division of fraction, just see the dance here. Okay? 6 divided by 1 by 4. Or you can write this as 6 divided by 1 by 4. Okay? Now, division is something we don't like. I don't like. I don't like division. I convert division to multiplication always. So, I said, okay, instead of 6 divided by 4, I'll say 6 multiplied by. So, as soon as I change division to multiplication, hands down. You don't have to talk always. When I changed division to multiplication, somebody got upset and started dancing. So the dance was this. This guy flipped, danced. So 4 went up, 1 came down. Now this is what you have. 6.
Improper fraction.
So no, this is not improper fraction. Now 6 times 4 by 1. What do you get? 24 by 1, which is nothing but 24.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah?
Sir,
Yeah?
when are we actually gonna start learning division?
Division. So you just saw one example of division, okay? So let's do one thing. Today, tomorrow, we'll learn fraction, we'll convert fraction to decimal, decimal to fraction, and then we'll do fraction addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. This is what we'll cover today, tomorrow, and worst case on the next Saturday. In these 3 classes, we'll cover it all. Will that be okay? So now you guys know what is proper fraction, what is improper fraction, correct? If I say 4 by 8 and 7 by 6, which one is proper, which one is improper? Yep.
4 by 8.
4 by 8 is what?
Proper.
Proper fraction. Yep.
And 7 by 6 is improper.
Improper fraction. Because when your numerator is bigger than denominator, this is improper. This is not right. This is proper fraction. Okay? So this is the first thing. Now if I say who knows how to do it? Do it.
Yeah. I thought it was multiplication.
Okay. Yeah, Ihan.
I remember the first part.
Do it. No storytelling. Do it.
Wait, should I say how I'm doing it?
Yeah.
So, I would do like, so 7 times 3 is 21, so that'd be my denominator. And then, 4 times 3 is 12. So, my first fraction, 4/7 would be equal to 12 21st, or however you say that. And then 1/3 would turn into like 14 21st.
Okay.
And then you add that, and then you get like.
You are 60% right. Let's see what Asha has to say. Asha, tell me what is the approach. Just tell me in 3 lines. Don't tell me the calculation.
It's kind of the same.
What is that? Same as what Aryan said?
Yeah.
Okay, Nihan, how about you?
So the way how I like to do fractions is I like to simplify them to the same denominator and add them up.
Okay, that is another one. Aditi, how about you?
Well, I think 4 plus 1 is 5. And 7 plus 3 is 10, so maybe it would be 5, 10.
Okay, anybody else? Yes, Alni. Now you remember?
No, I remember the first part only. It's
Oh.
LCM.
LCM. That's the starting point. Okay. Anika and Nikhil. Do you know how to solve this?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me. Tell me just quickly what all you will do. Just tell me that. Don't tell me the calculation. Calculation I will show you guys.
First I do the equation 4 plus 1 and 7 plus 3.
You remember? Technically you don't. Okay.
I remember.
Okay. So, Arihan, I heard you, but probably you know. Let me just do it for the benefit of the class. Okay. Yeah, Joyce, you want to say something? Just tell me the approach.
I was gonna say the same. 4 plus 2 is 6.
No, you're going in the wrong direction. I'll stop you there. Okay. Alright. So, Arihan, yeah, tell me one last time.
So I think I said it incorrectly.
Yeah.
Wait, that was like what I was saying earlier was kind of the longer way. So, like you would find LCM first, whatever your LCM would be, that's your denominator, and then times
Right.
your numerator by the opposite,
Alright.
like number.
Exactly. So basically, there are two approaches. One is what you said. Second one is what Nihan was saying, where he will match the denominator. Okay. So now let's look at it very carefully. Okay. So I will teach one thing quickly, and you will learn how to do addition of fraction and subtraction of fraction also same way. Do you need Chandu bomb? No. Sit properly. Because whenever somebody keeps stretching like this, okay, oh, that means you are having backache. I have a balm that I can apply on your back, and that will make you feel better. For
I
what?
don't need a bomb.
Okay. No, I'm just asking. So, anyways, coming back to the point, let's look at how do you do fraction, addition, and multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay, we are doing some addition right now. First thing, does everybody know how to find out LCM? What is LCM?
No.
No, Arihan, I will not let you ask that question. I know, I'm just checking everybody else, okay? Yeah, David. I know you know how to find LCM, okay? That's why I'm stopping you.
I don't even know what LCM is. What is LCM?
Tasvik would know. Sammy will also know, okay? So let me quickly tell you guys, okay? Whoever doesn't know, I was just trying to get a sense of who doesn't know what is LCM, okay? Anika, you pay attention here. Now, LCM stands for lowest common multiplier, okay? Meaning the smallest number that you can find with 7 and that you can find with 3 also, okay? Now, if you look at table of 7, 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28, okay? Now, look at table of 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 ja 9, 4 ja 12, 5 ja 15, 6 ja 18, 7 ja 21. I am stopping it here. Okay. So kids, all of you who know LCM, I know you know. Okay. So that's why I am not letting you answer it. I am just trying to explain for the kids who don't. Okay. Now, if you look at this one and this one, are you sleepy? No, I'm asking you. No. So pay attention, okay? Be serious. Now if you look at 21, it comes in the table of 7. It comes in the table of 3 also. So 21, something multiplied by something gives you 21. Here also, something multiplied by 3 gives you 21. Something multiplied by 7 gives you 21. So 21 is there in the table of 7 and 3 both. Meaning 21 is a multiplier of 3 as well as 7. Okay. When you say multiplier, if I say 12 is a multiplier, Yog,
Sir?
you have to stay still. I cannot be more clear than that. Okay? We are not in a part where you have come here to swim. Okay? Sit still. Very still. Okay? Alright.
Sir?
Yeah.
So, what happens we have 4 tens and 5 sevens. Can you just multiply them both?
No, never do that. That will not be right always. I mean, that's not the right approach. You might get the answer, but that is not the right answer. Okay? So, LCM, lowest common multiplier. Let's say if I say 10. 10 is a multiplier of 2, meaning 2 multiplied by something, you get 10. Right? 2 5s are 10. Okay? If I say 15, 15 is a multiplier of 3, meaning 3 multiplied by something, you get 15. Or 15 is a multiplier of 5 also, meaning something multiplied by 5 gives you a 15. Okay? Now, so if you look at numbers like, if you look at, let's say, 20. Everybody who has raised their hand, put your hands down. It's my time to talk.
Okay.
So, if you look at 20, everybody hands down. Okay? I will come to you guys when I have to ask questions. Just pay attention right now. If you look at 20, 4 times 5 is 20, meaning 20 is a multiplier of 4. Okay? Similarly, I can say 5 times 4 is also 20, meaning 20 is a multiplier of 5 also. Okay? Now you look at 40 also. So I'm looking at 4 and 5, okay? 4 times 5 is 20, meaning 20 is a multiplier of 4. 4 times 10 is 40. So 40 is a multiplier of 4.
Okay.
Now look at 5. 5 times 4 is 20. So 20 is a multiplier of 5. And 5 times 8 is 40. So 40 is also multiplier of 5. Okay. Now, when you say lowest common multiplier, between 20 and 40 if you have to choose, this is the lowest multiplier. Correct? Yeah? So, there is a way to find out the lowest common multiplier. Meaning, if you look at 20 and 40, 20 and 40 are multipliers of 4 and 5 both. Meaning, 20 comes in the table of 4, 20 comes in the table of 5. So, this is a multiplier of 4 and 5 both. Similarly, 40 also comes in the table of 4 and 40 comes in the table of 5 also. So, 40 is also a multiplier of 4 and 5. Okay? But between these two, which one is lowest? 20?
Yes.
20? Yeah? So, here when we are looking at it, we are saying that 20 is the lowest common multiplier. Meaning 20 is the smallest number which is multiplier of 4 and 5 both. Okay? But this is a very bad technique. There is a better technique of doing it. Okay? So Mandeep, keep your video on and your audio off. You are doing it otherwise. You are keeping your audio on and video off. I would not know whether you are with me or you are elsewhere. Now, so when you have two numbers and you have to find out a common multiplier and the lowest common multiplier, can you say it properly? Are you on a beach? Are you on a beach right now? So I'm tired, beta. I'm literally tired of you. If I have to repeat myself with the same statement 20 times in 45 minutes, that is unfortunate. Okay? I don't like when we don't learn from our mistakes. Don't do that. I hope this is the last time. Now, I have 7 and 3. I want to find out the lowest common multiplier. This is a way of doing it. Okay? Now, kids who don't know the table of 7 and 3, okay? It's okay. You'll rely on me. Once you learn the table, then you can.
Okay.
Now, I have to find out the lowest common multiplier of 3 and 7. What I will do is, I'll pick up a small number which can divide both of them. Is there a number that can divide 3 and 7 both? Probably not, right? No. So I'll probably pick 3. 3 1s are 3. I wrote 1. 7 doesn't come in the table of 3, right? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. 7 did not come. I'll leave 7. Now, as soon as I get a 1, I will leave that part. Okay? Everybody with me? Joy, you are with me, right? You are able to follow? So, I started with 3. 3 1s are 3. 7 did not come in the table of 3, so I left it there. So, 3 1s are 3 and 7, nothing happened with 7. So, 7 I kept that way. Now, leave the number 1. As soon as you get a 1, leave that one. Now, what is the next smallest number that I can divide? Probably 7. So 1 remains 1, 7 1s are 7. Done. Now whatever I have here, I will multiply them. 3 into 7. This is what my LCM is, 21. So Anika, Nikhil, Yug, and everybody on the screen. What I did, I had to find out the LCM of these two numbers. I picked up the smallest number that can divide both of them. Unfortunately, I did not get 1. So then I picked just the smallest number, smallest between the two. So 3, so I wrote 3. 3 1s are 3, this one is done. And 7 did not come in the table of 3, so I left 7 as 7. Yeah?
I don't get why. You know, it's up there that's 3 and 7, and like it's down there it's 3 and 7 like that.
That doesn't work. That doesn't really work. So that's what I'm saying. Don't go by 3 and 7 here, so you wrote 3 and 7 here. That will not solve the purpose. Okay? So here I'll show you, okay? If I have 2, 4 and 7, 3 numbers, I have to find out the LCM for this one. Okay, let me finish this one first. So once I get 1 at the bottom, then I'm done. I'll just multiply these two numbers, I'll get my LCM. Okay? If I had to find out the LCM for these 3 numbers, what I had to do was pick up this and find out the smallest number that can divide maximum of them. What is the smallest number that you can think of here? 2? 2 divides 2 and 2 divides 4 also. It doesn't divide 7, but at least it picked up 2, right? So I'll go with 2. 2 1s are 2. And how many times of 2 gives you 4? 2 2s are 4. And 7 did not come in the table of 2, so I left it there. Now leave the 1. What is the next smallest number? 2? Pick up 2. 1 remains 1. 2 1s are 2. 7 did not come in the table. Now, what do I have? The smallest number here apart from 1 is 7. So I'll write 7. 1 remains 1, 1 remains 1. 7 1s are 7. Now everything is 1. See here, I stopped when everything was 1. Okay? Here also, I did everything till I get 1 at the bottom. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So now what do I have? 2 into 2 into 4. 2 into 7. This is my LCM. So I did not multiply 2, I did not put 2, 4 and 7. I simplified it, okay? So never think that whatever you have here, you will put here. That is not your LCM. Yeah? Now here, when you multiply these things, 2 to the 4 times 7, 28. You will see that 2 times 14 is 28, meaning 28 is a multiplier of 2. 4 times 7 is 28, meaning 4 is also 28 is a multiplier of 4. 7 times 4 is 28, that means 28 is a multiplier of 7 also. Right? And this is the smallest number. You can go to 56. That will also be multiplier of all these numbers. But this is the smallest. And this is the technique for finding out the LCM. Yeah? Is everybody clear with what did I do with LCM? I know it might be confusing. Yeah, Rehan.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I understood what you did on the first box where you got 2, but then on the second, like with the 1 and 2, 4 and 7. So like I understood what you got, like the one right before 7, but how did you get the 7 one.
7. So because once I had 1 to 7, I did 2 and I got 1 and 1 here. The smallest number that I was left with apart from 1 was 7. I did not have a choice to pick any other number but 7. So that's why I picked up 7 to get a 1 at the bottom. And my job with LCM is not done unless I get 1 at the bottom for all of them.
Okay.
Yeah, David, are you with me? Yep, yeah, you.
I have one more question. Like, so you did on the 3s, but it equals different. But on the 2-digit one, it's still equal the same. So on the 2-digit one, is it like that? And on the 3-digit one?
No, you are asking question that is not holding much water, okay? Why I would say because, see, whether you have 2 digits, 3 digits, 5 digits, doesn't matter. If let's say if I have 2, 4, 7, 9, 5, approach is the same. I will pick up the smallest number that can divide maximum of them. Here my smallest number is 2. So I will say pick 2. 2 1s are 2, done. 4 comes by 2 2s are 4. This is done. So I divided 2 numbers in one go. That's how it helps me get the LCM. If I don't divide, I don't get LCM. Okay. Now I have 7. 7 doesn't come in the table of 2. 9 doesn't come in the table of 2. Neither comes 5. Now what is my smallest number? My smallest number now is 2, except 1. 1 I don't have to worry about. Okay. So I'll pick 2 and then do the same thing. After I'm done with 2, my smallest number is 5. And there's nothing common here. So I'll continue with 5. Then I'll pick up 7. Then I'll pick up 9. That's all. So now, yeah.
So what if you get like a number that's like they're all pretty close, but none of them, and they can divide with the same number? Wouldn't you immediately get the LCM?
Yeah. You
Like
then,
in one go?
yeah. So if the numbers are all prime numbers, meaning they cannot be divided by any other number, then you simply multiply them. That gives you the LCM. Like what will happen in this case? 7 and 3 both are prime numbers. They cannot be divided by each other, right? So that is why when we are doing, so now we are doing the LCM. Okay, this is the first step of my fraction addition.
Okay. So that's why so only prime numbers you can multiply to get the LCM.
Yeah, if your denominator has all prime numbers, that means there is no way you can find something common. And then you simply multiply them. Yeah, Mandeep. Now, the first step. So everybody focus now, okay? First step. So right now, Mandeep, you have to go on mute. Okay. Now, this is my fraction that I am trying to add. Everybody pay attention. First step is find out the LCM of the denominators. Okay. So I have 7 and 3. Find out the LCM. So how do I find out? I write the numbers inside the bracket. Yeah. What is my smallest number that can divide both of them? There is no smallest number. I can pick 3 only. 3 1s are 3. And 7 doesn't come in the table of 3. So I can only put 7. Now what is the next smallest number apart from 1? 7. So 1 remains 1. 7 1s are 7. This is what I got. 3 and 7. Meaning I have to multiply these two to get my LCM. I got LCM as 21. This is my first step when I am trying to add two fractions. Okay. As soon as you did that, now you got your LCM as 21. Okay. Now you put an equal to sign and put 21 here. That you got. Shalini, focus, because after this one you were thinking what is next, right? So I have put 21 now. This was my LCM that we calculated. Okay, technically this is how you do it. The word technically you use very often, but you don't get the technique. So focus on the technique, okay, rather than the word technically. Now 21 is my LCM. Now look at the first one. How many times of 7 is 21? How many times of 7 is 21? 3?
3.
Right, 3. And then multiply that with what you have in the numerator.
4.
First one is done. Okay? Then what you have? A plus sign? Put a plus sign. Or if you want to play safe, put it in a bracket so that you don't get confused. Now pick up the second number. How many times of 3 gives you 21? 7. Again start another bracket. Keep it in a bracket so that you don't get confused. 7. And then multiply that with what you have in the numerator. Anika, here. Everybody here. I want everybody's attention here. So how many times of 3 gives you 21? 7. And then what do you have in the numerator? 1. Done. Now look at this. 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 7 times 1 is 7. Divided by 21. What did it become? 12 plus 7 is 19. Divided by 21. This is your answer.
Okay.
Okay. Now, math is all about practice. Let's practice one more. Now this time I will do.
One final one.
No.
How much more time do you have left?
How does it matter?
I'm just asking.
No. Once your parents are here, I'll let you.
They're here.
Okay. So I'll not let you go then. Okay. Wait here. Now let's say I have to add 1 by 4 plus 2 by 9 plus 3 by 6. I'm trying to add 3 fractions together. Same approach. What do I have in the denominator? 4, 9 and 6. Meaning you have to find out the LCM of this. 4, 9 and 6. Now this is interesting. What is the smallest number that can divide maximum of them? Probably 2, because here I have 4 and I have 6. Let's start with 2. 2 2s are 4. 9 doesn't come in the table of 2, so leave that. 2 3s are 6. Done. Now the next smallest is 2. 2 1s are 2. 9 doesn't come in the table of 2. 3 doesn't come in the table of 2. Now, apart from 1, what is the smallest number? 3, which can divide maximum. So I will pick 3. 1 remains 1. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Now what is the next smallest number apart from 1? That is 3. 1 remains 1. 3 1s are 3. 1. Everything has become 1 now. What do I have? 2, 2, 3, 3. So multiply them all. 2, 2, 3, 3. 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12, 3s are 36. So my LCM is 36. Yeah? Now pick the first number. Look at the denominator. How many times of this gives you 36? 4 times 9 is 36. What do you have in the numerator? 1. Just multiply it. Close the bracket. Then what is the sign? Plus. Then start another bracket. Pick the second number. How many times of 9 gives you 36? 4. Multiply that with your numerator. Then what is the sign? Plus. How many times of 6 gives you 36? Anika, here beta. How many times of 6 gives you 36? 6. 6 times 6, 36. Okay? Now, multiply that with what you have in the numerator. Now, you add them. 9 1s are 9, plus 4 2s are 8, plus 6 3s are 18, divide by 36. See, I am just telling a story. Whatever I have, multiplying it, equal to this, just moving on. So, this becomes 9 plus 8, 17, plus 18, 35 by 36. This is my answer. So, be it adding 2 fractions, or be it adding 3 fractions, or be it adding 4 fractions, approach remains the same. You find out the LCM of the denominator. Once you found that, pick first number, look at how many times of that is this, and then multiply that with the numerator. Look at the sign, put the sign. How many times of this is this, multiply that with the numerator. Pick the third one. How many times of this is this times the numerator. Done. Yaditi.
It's 5 now.
Yeah, I'll let you guys know, but I just wanted to finish the sum before I let you guys go, right? So, okay, now what is the summary of it? Whatever we have learned, approach is simple. You have to do practice. And I will tell you one thing. If I had a plus, I'll put a plus. If I had a minus, I'll just put a minus. And then do it. Nothing different. So whatever we learn with addition of fractions, same way you do subtraction of fractions also. Okay?
Okay.
So with that being said, we will stop here. I will let you guys go. We will do a little bit of more of fractions, subtraction, multiplication, division tomorrow, and then we will talk about how to convert fractions to decimal or decimals to fractions. Okay?
Okay.
With that being said, I'll let you guys go have fun. But my only request to you all is